The 6th Meghalaya Police Battalion today distributed blankets to the residents of Umran Dairy area in Riphoi district as part of its welfare program called Reaching Out Beyond the Call of Duty to Poor and Downtrodden. In this connection, a program was organized amidst police personnel and village elders of Umran Dairy. In this noble endeavor, the police battalion distributed 50 blankets for male and 100 blankets to female residents of Umran Dairy to protect themselves against the advent of winter. On this occasion, 5 Anganwadi workers were given blankets as a mark of appreciation for their dedicated service in extending health care to the villagers. In this regard, the police battalion also handed over 20 blankets to the headman of Umran Dairy to be distributed to the poor male residents of the village. The headman, the secretary of the village and the head assistants of the office of the 6th Police Meghalaya Battalion spoke on the occasion.
Asuhan ay mo boleh. Nama ay ni kecingkot kecikya. Pada pelengcong kata kelam kebalaya dan tidak berbon teliki benai. Nama ay ni kecingkot kecikya. Bagi dan la ia ke bagi na perhat. Ke eipat ke bagi dan la cucu. Ia ke bentuk dia. Ia ke la ia ke jingerap. Ia ke bentuk cucu dalam kami ke jingerap. Oh, apa deng ipon balik kot. Apa yang dibor beret, nilailah kalah kalian. Apa yang kerjanya no senyang lang, jong ki staff ki jongi, ringkat ketuk ini ki perlu ki perjuang, ki bayar donan kata kemensim ban no yang kata kerjanya rap.